28.
28. Let me see if I can just bring her. She was having problems with her device. I do know that.
Okay. And I got to figure out what we're doing with Roman Rice.
Okay. I'm gonna open court in 1 second. I'm trying to see if Ms. Latavia Davis is going to come out. He's not responding. Okay, everyone, 36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there will be absolutely no talking, walking around. Let me put Mr. Reeves on mute. There will be absolutely no walking around, talking, reading, eating, sleeping, smoking, or driving. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Pelway. This is the people versus Montanique Reed, ticket number SX4136743. It's strange, but there's also a count 1 of driver license suspended, revoked, denied, and then count 2 is motor vehicle operation without security. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Montanique Reed.
And good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of Miss Reed. Judge, this looks to be the day and time set for a show cause. I know that she has a valid license, correct, Miss Reed?
Yes.
But let me see, Judge. There's also a no insurance count as well.
Right.
Did we discuss the insurance, Miss Reed?
Yes, I have valid insurance.
Okay, so I believe she has both documents, Your Honor.
You saw her insurance?
That I did not see, Judge.
Do you have your insurance, Ms. Reed?
Yes.
Can you put up to the screen?
Yes, I'm just gonna flip my camera. Can you see it clearly?
Yeah, I just need to see the expiration date.
Um,
Oh, I see it. All right. And you said you saw her license as well, Mr. Warburg?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, with this, you stipulate the probable cause?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so counts 1 and 2 are dismissed without prejudice as Ms. Reed has provided valid documentation. You are all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
okay, I have a question. When I called 36th District Court, they said that I also had a court date for May 3rd. And I was trying to see, is it for the same thing or something different? Because if it was for the same thing, I was hoping maybe we could get it dismissed today since I have all my documents.
Mr. Raymond, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until we're ready for you.
Okay.
Give me one moment, please.
Okay. Also, I know that when I missed my court date in February, they told me that I had a warrant. Does this lift that since I showed these documents and came to this court date, or do I have to pay to get that lifted or something?
All warrant fees are waived.
Okay, thank you.
So you had a warrant on the 2 matters you dealt with today. And that's all you have. Oh, you have some, yeah, you do have some other matters that are pending.
Yeah, warrants.
Yeah, it's an arraignment, not till it's actually paid.
What's an arraignment?
What day is it?
Thank you.
Alberto, I'm gonna put you back in the, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until we're ready for you.
So Mr. Warbling is a registered untitled vehicle, and it's just the ticket from February 19th. So it's a registered vehicle and no insurance.
That's
So
set in May.
Right, it says for an arraignment in May.
what's an arraignment?
It's the first hearing that is set for when you get a ticket, or at least a misdemeanor ticket.
So I can't get that thrown out because I have my documents today. I have my registration with me too.
Your registration.
I'm sorry, you said what?
Let me see your registration.
Okay.
Can you say something so it can kind of clear up?
So that's the expiration date.
I can't see. Oh, I see it.
Not to
So that
say,
is it. So let me call these matters. This is ticket number SP 1435090, count 1, driver register or entitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Mr. Warbling, you stipulated probable cause as Ms. Reed has provided valid documentation.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
That is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you
Okay.
very much for that,
So-
Judge.
So I'm all set. I won't have to join on May 3rd.
No, you don't have to join on May 3rd. You still owe some reinstatement fees, though, if you want to try to. You still owe money.
Okay. So I should just call 36 District Court to,
That, or you can look online.
okay. Okay, thank you.
Well,
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right, this is people versus Alexis Brown, ticket number SP 1398485, count 2, failed to display about an operator's license not a person. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
And Warbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
State your name, Ms. Brown.
Alexis Round.
And Judge, this is the day and time set for a show cause. Miss Round does have a valid license, Your Honor, so we were moving to dismiss for valid documentation.
You stipulate your probable cause.
We do, Judge.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice as Ms. Brown has provided valid documentation. You are all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And Judge, I'm ready on Mr. Reeves. I think the officer is here.
Okay. Mr. Cutway, can you bring out Mr. Reed?
He's
Mr.
out, Judge. He's here.
And as you
I'm
said,
sorry, can you bring out the
officer-
officer?
right,
Oh,
All right, this is the people versus Alexander Dorsey. ticket number SP 198-195, count 1, drove on license, not valid or proper license. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Judge Ben Werbling, P648889 on behalf of the defendant.
Say your name, Mr. Dorsey.
Alexander Dorsey.
Before we go any further, Mr. Werbling, Mr. Dorsey has a number of tickets that are in warrant status. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 tickets that are in warrant status.
Okay. I did not know that, Judge, and I think we were, just going based on the docket, which was the show cause. So we were looking for an offer on that one, but I don't know if it's best just to enter a not guilty plea and request a pretrial.
You want to just set it for bench, set all these matters for bench trial?
Well, I was looking for a pretrial, Your Honor. Or any, either or.
I mean,
I don't know. Are they all, are the ones that weren't on the docket that you just recited, or are those older?
they're not that old. I mean,
Okay.
He actually has more than that. He has about 14. Yeah, he has about 14 tickets. If he wants to deal with everything today, he can wait for Ms. Horn to get an offer.
Okay.
So it's up to him if he wants to wait or if he wants to set it for trial, see what officers appear.
Did you want a future bench trial date, Mr. Dorsey?
What is the offer?
Well, we don't know yet, sir. We got to wait for the prosecutor.
Well, I'll wait to see what the offer is.
Okay,
If I can take care of it today, I'll rather take care of them today.
Okay.
Okay, we'll recall your matter.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Dorsey, you can tap your screen and rejoin your breakout room so they can discuss the offers with you. So rejoin your screen, just tap it and rejoin the breakout room you were in. That's okay. What room are you in? I'll do it.
I got it.
Okay.
He was in 24, I think.
He said he passed it.
Okay.
What are you doing for Darnell? Are you ready on Darnell Ross?
Yes, Judge.
This is the people versus Darnell Ross, ticket number SP 1396180, count 1, 6 to 10 miles per hour over posted speed, and count 2, drove on license not valid or proper license. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Say your name, sir.
Mr. Ross, state your name, please.
Oh, Donnell Ross.
Judge, date and time set for a pretrial. He wishes to continue his not guilty. Please requesting a bench trial.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Ross.
Excuse me?
Raise your right hand, sir.
Oh, okay, I did.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You put your hand down, you understand you have the right to a jury trial.
Yes,
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to the jury trial?
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, or forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to having a jury trial?
no,
All right, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea and set this matter for a bench trial date for March 21st at 9 o'clock. You have any questions, sir?
would it be the Zoom again?
Yes, sir. So you need to be on video. Can you
Okay.
do that?
Well, I don't know what happened today. Just some error thing kept coming up, said it wouldn't let me log in.
All right, so you need to work it out. Otherwise, we can set it for an in-person, but it needs to be on video. You need to be on video for your trial.
Okay.
Any other questions, sir?
No questions. I might have hold on the line.
You're all set. Ms.
Thank you, Your
Horn,
Honor.
Thank you. Ms. Horn? Oh, she can hear us.
Yes, Judge.
Okay, so there's a. I forget
Excuse
his
me, I
name.
can hang up now?
Yes, sir, you're all set, Mr. Ross.
I told
All right, thank you.
Is that Dorsey, Your Honor? I just
Yeah.
spoke with Mr. Bratliff on it. I'm gonna come down for that. Sounds like he's got a lot.
Yes, okay, all right.
Okay,
Thank
I'll
you.
stay on Zoom though, Judge.
Okay.
And I'll just come down. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Let me do this really quick. This people versus Tia Daniels, ticket number SP 1394960, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, give false information regarding accident. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of Miss Daniels. Ma'am, could you state your name for the record?
Tia Daniels.
Judge, date and time set for a pretrial. I had an opportunity to pre-try the case with Corporation Counsel. She's agreeing to dismiss all 3 charges.
You stipulate the probable cause.
Yes, Your Honor.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Ms. Daniels. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank
Do I
you,
need
Judge.
any documents to prove this, or am I all good?
If you wait till tomorrow, you can look online and print out whatever you need to print out.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
This is the people versus Orlando Reeves, ticket number SP 1367515. Count 1, drove on license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. 3, driving register or entitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 1379408. Count 1, disregard signal red or amber. And count 2, operate motor vehicle with TV or electronic device viewable by driver. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Irby appearing on behalf of Mr. Orlando Reeves, who's with this court via Zoom.
State your name, Officer Bentley.
Police Officer Gregory Bentley, badge 435, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you. Mr. Reeves, unmute yourself, say your name, sir. You're
Unmute
muted.
yourself, Mr. Reeves.
On the bottom
Unmute.
left.
Orlando Reeves.
Yes, Your Honor. Today is the date and time scheduled for a trial in this matter. I have spoken with Mr. Reeves. He wishes to avail himself of the offer that's been presented before the court. And in recognizing that Officer Bentley is present, the offer offered by the prosecutor is to Mr. Reeves will be pleading to SP 1379401 and 2 and dismissing counts SP 13675, count 1, 2, and 3.
All right, so with that, we stipulate to the basis of ticket, for ticket number ending in 408.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause, that's the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
Yes, Your Honor.
They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentence. You said
SP 1379401 and 2, he would plead to, and Your Honor, that plea would be blockading, amended charge to blockading, and the other 3 counts will be dismissed.
so it's just one count of blockading?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. All right. Okay, the court will dismiss the remaining tickets without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing, because the court will amend count 1 to blockading. There's a $175 fine, Mr. Reeves, because this is a civil infraction. You have 14 days to pay the fine. Can you have it paid by March 20th?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any questions, sir?
Say it again.
Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am. I just paid the 36th District Court.
You can pay it at 30, yes, you can pay it on the website, you can pay it over the phone, you can come down to the courthouse. There's kiosks around the city, like in CVS and Myers, called DIVDAT, DIV is in Victor, DAT at the time. You can pay it on the kiosk.
Yes, ma'am, I have it.
Okay. All right, you're all set, sir. Good luck.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Officer Reed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And we have one more, and I don't see him. I forgot. Rodney, or is that him? Let me bring him out. And then Mr. Worthy, other people. That's
Okay, yeah, Rodney Reed was ready.
He has some more, he has a couple more tickets too, but I need to talk to Ms. Horn, because these tickets, I need to talk to her. They're a little,
Okay.
they're from 2015, so let me see what she wants to do.
Oh, okay.
And Judge, I think I brought out Mr. Diggles. I need his record check because he has receipts for payment for all of those tickets.
For which one?
John Diggles, I had him come out. He was in room 11.
Case number, be on it.
And also case number SP 112537. It's under the 830. He has allowed 8 tickets. All of them but one he has a receipt for payment.
all defendants, please get into the camera. All defendants. And Mr. Reed was on the last group of people, but you say he got more tickets. So Judge, do you want me to put Mr. Reed back into the waiting room since he have more tickets?
Yes, you can put him in the waiting room. So.
Yes, Judge, I am ready on Mr. Ramos and Ms. Rickman, and as well as Mr., I'm gonna kill his last name.
And he left, so I don't remember who he. Yeah, Mr. Reed, tap your screen and go back to your waiting room until the attorney comes. It's gonna say rejoin.
Just hit leave.
No, tap your screen. It's gonna say rejoin.
You don't see it.
And Mr. Demaku, Judge, who are all on the screen now. I'm ready on all 3 of those. Ramos, Rickman, and Mr. Demaku, who says iPhone.
Do you remember what Rodney Reed? I put him in there. I'm putting you back
because
in
I don't see it, bro.
breakout room 30. I mean 29. Hold on. Oh. Breakout room 30. I'm putting back in 29. Okay, I'll put him back in 29. Okay. I don't remember the iPhone, the young man iPhone. It says iPhone. What is your name?
That's Mr. Demaku number. He was at number 15.
Okay. Because he
Yes.
has about, I was gonna put his.
Yes, I'm ready for.
Ms. Irby, I've looked up a couple of Mr. Diggle's cases and he hasn't paid, I don't see anything that he's paid. He might have paid like a bond.
Posted the bond.
Yeah, he might have posted bond, but he hasn't paid any fine. They haven't even been adjudicated.
Okay, I'll go back in and speak to him because he had receipts for all of them except for one. So maybe that was a bond he posted for all of them.
The bond that he posted.
Okay, and Judge, we're ready on Miss Alexis Rickman Boykin, who is with this court.
Okay. Judge, I need to reopen court. 36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, no reading, talking, walking around in and out of the camera. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning. Mr. Petway, Mr. Demaku, Mr. Alberto Demaku, why were you pushing help like a million times? I mean, I think you were told to be patient in the courtroom, sir, and somebody was we didn't forget about you. but you kept pushing help, and that, I mean, it becomes a little distracting, sir.
Oh, it was because I didn't know like if I was stuck in the wrong spot or not, because it said like I've been on the phone call for like 2 hours, so I didn't know if I was gonna.
You and a lot of people. You're not the only one, sir. And
Yeah.
I know, I'm sure Mr. Petway told you to be patient, and someone would come and speak with you.
Yes, ma'am. No, I understand, but I thought I was, because I don't know how to use the Zoom, so I just didn't know if I was stuck somewhere.
Ms. Rickman, stay in the camera. I'm gonna remove you.
This is the people versus Alexis Rickman Boykin, ticket number SP 1398059, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Alexis
Good
Rickman
morning, Your
Boykin.
Honor. Oh, go ahead.
Let Ms. go first, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Joe Irby appearing on behalf of Ms. Alexis Rickman Boykin, who's with this court via Zoom, Your Honor.
Rickman Boykin, say your name, please.
Alexis Rickman Boykin.
Yes, Your Honor. Have had the opportunity to speak with Ms. Boykin today, and she does have valid documentation in reference to her insurance, Your Honor. She has taken the written test for her driver's license, but she is on bed rest right now, Your Honor, and unable to take the other part. I don't know if we can ask for an adjournment. She can't do the driving portion. So I'm really asking for a dismissal. I haven't spoken with Tamika, with the prosecutor, but however, Your Honor, I have seen her valid documentation, and she did show me the information for her appointment that she's unable to attend right now.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, counsel, Ms. Irby. Tamika Horn on behalf of the people, P70303. In the interest of justice, the people will move to dismiss.
Thank you.
You stipulate the probable cause, Ms. Irby.
Yes, Your Honor, I will.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Ms. Boykin. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ramos, ticket number SP 1397223, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Irby, I'm sorry, appearing on behalf of Mr. Ramos, who's with this court via Zoom.
Say your name, sir.
Jose Ramos.
Yes, Your Honor, I have had the opportunity to speak with Mr. Ramos and advise him of his rights in reference to this matter. He has provided me valid documentation, which I did view, for his insurance with the expiration date of 2024, Your Honor. I'm asking for a motion to dismiss based on valid documentation.
Do you stipulate the probable cause?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Without prejudice, as Mr. Ramos has provided valid documentation. You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
You can log off, Mr. Ramos.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Alberto Demacu, ticket number SP 1017708, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not a person. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Irby appearing on behalf of Mr. Demacu, who is muted, and appearing before this court via Zoom. Mr. Demacu, please state your name.
Alberto Demacu.
Yes, Your Honor. I have had the opportunity to speak with Mr. Demacu, advise him of his rights, and however, he has provided me with valid documentation with his license that's expiring in 2026.
You stipulate the probable cause, Ms. Irby?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Demacu. Good luck to you.
Mr. Demacu, you can log off and leave.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Mhm.
Ms. Horn.
Yes, Your Honor.
One guy, Rodney, he has a couple of other things that are more status than 2015.
I don't. Is it off on your form?
No.
Okay, I'll just take a look at it.
So, yeah, I don't know.
Since I'm here, I think I'm here for the rest of the morning.
Something you wanted to see, you don't want to.
Right, probably not.
Can I have your name again? Davis. Unmute your device and give me your name.
Latavia Davis.
You guys ready on that one?
No, Judge, she was non-responsive, so I don't know what I'm doing with. I've been trying to talk to her for a while. Let's see, it's,
Form because she got some cases and warrant status too.
okay. So we had her and Mr. Dorsey and then from speaking with Roman Rice, he's looking for an offer as well.
So do you want me to put Ms. Davis back? Try to put her back in the waiting room, breakout room?
That'd be fine. Thank you, Mr. Petlick.
She won't be able to show you her documents because her video is messed up.
That's not what it is. I don't think so.
Okay, so you think we should just keep her in the general meeting then?
I'm so jealous.
Yeah,
okay,
because I'm scared we might lose her.
Okay, that's perfect. Yeah, you're right.
Now listen, Miss Davis.
Nah, I sit up here. Like I got my head ready. Okay, I said,
You want to talk to her right now? You want to talk to her right now?
I can. Well, Miss Davis, you.
I would know a clowning.
Okay, you can go ahead. I muted the courtroom.
Okay, no problem. No, that's fine. Miss Davis, do you have any of the documents that are let's see, the license or the insurance right now?
No, I'm in the expungement program with the license.
So okay, so you want some more time? You want to come back?
Yes, please.
All right, so I think we'll get you we can get you a pretrial or a trial